Hello, dear audience. A very good morning to all of you. I am starting in the name of Allah, who is the most gracious and most merciful. At the very beginning of my speech, please take my cordial love and salam. Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I would like to thank my honorable teacher, Mr. Ariful Islam sir, for giving me a chance to introduce myself. Now I am telling about myself. Well, my full name is simply Siam Hussain, but my family and friends like to call me Siam. If you feel comfortable, you can call me Siam because this is my nickname and I am quite familiar with this name. Actually, I am from Dhaka, which is the capital of district of Bangladesh, as well as it is one of the famous districts in Bangladesh. But at present, I live in Manikganj with my parents peacefully because my education purpose. I am currently 19 and not married. At present, I am a student. Firstly, I have completed my SSC from Dhamra Hardins High School and College. After finished my SSC from Dhamra Hardins High School and College. After finishing my SSC, I have completed my graduation in the Department of Chemistry. Currently, I study at Daffodil University in the Department of Chemistry. Now I am looking for a better job. There are 4 members in my family, including my parents. I have 1 brother and no sister, and myself. My father is a government employee. He is a very kind, honest, hardworking person. He always gives me a good lesson for my better future. I am really proud to have such a great father. My mother is a homemaker. She is very caring, loving, punctual woman. She takes care of our family properly. On the other hand, she is a very good chef. She always prefers delicious foods for us. My mother is the best mom in the world. Actually, I like to reading newspaper, storybooks, reading the Holy Quran, listening the Islamic song, traveling, taking picture and so on. But among of them, I like traveling the most because it allows me to enrich my knowledge and makes my mind fresh. In my free time, I always prefer to visit different places. I dislike wasting time using Facebook, telling lies, cheating, backbiting and so on because these bad habits are very harmful for our life. My favorite color is blue because it is the symbol of joy. Moreover, I look absolutely amazing when I wear my blue color dress. My favorite food is sandwich because it is very delicious and nutritious. My mother always cooks sandwich for me regularly. Sometimes I go on restaurant to enjoy different kinds of foods. My favorite game is cricket because it is very interesting and exciting game. It is the famous game in the world. It gives me a lot of entertainment and makes my body fit. I am very big fan of Bangladeshi cricket team. We know a man without an aim is like a boat without a rudder. Every person should have an aim in life. I also have an aim in life. I would like to be a business career. That's all about my self-introduction. If I have made any unintentional mistake in my presentation, I beg your pardon. Hope to see you again with another day, with another topic. Till then, stay happy and safe. Thank you very much for listening to my speech.